Hi, everybody. Welcome to our Threshold 2018-2019 advisory. Some of you are completely new to Threshold, and some of you I've been working with since last year. But this online classroom will be a new home base for all of us in this school year. This is where you'll find important announcements about events, school schedule, including Threshold Mondays and what we'll be doing, interesting opportunities in the school community, your home communities. You can actually even post events that you found that you might be interested in or that you think someone else might be. And importantly, this is going to be the place to participate in weekly conversations and online activities so we can all get to know each other better and help each other out this school year. We'll have discussion circles, a multimedia show and tell, current events forum, and a Nook to share reading responses and book reviews because you're all going to be doing independent reading. You can find tools to help you stay connected and organized. Find me if you need help, your personal work log, daily check-in form. And I'll also include permanent links to the learning resources that will help you meet your academic and personal goals, including Empower, Odysseyware, and Khan Academy. Although you will have individual playlists and activities based on your own goals and progress, I'm also going to build in projects here on this page each quarter that will hit a range of learning targets at different levels to give you the opportunity to tackle those standards individually or work together. You can also propose projects here and get help with the planning process or find friends to collaborate with. So please explore the site, look around, contact me if you have any questions or suggestions. I know we're going to have a great school year, and I'm so excited to see you all in person again or meet you for the first time. And I hope this will be a great resource for all of us this year.